Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a really quick tips review video for you guys on how to grow your hair. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Tip number one that I have for you guys is to get Biotin pills and or prenatal pills. I actually take both of these daily. There are pills that actually have that together. They're called like the hair, skin, and nails gummies. Like they come in the gummy forms instead of the pill form, which is a little bit easier for some people to digest. They just taste like candy, so it's a little bit easier. I wouldn't recommend such a high dosage. I take the 5,000 mcg ones because my body's been kind of used to it over the years. When I first started taking them, I was having like nausea and dizziness. So start with the lower dose, and if you do continue taking them, I saw really big results within the first 3 months of taking them, and I swear by these items. Don't worry about taking such a high dosage because your body naturally gets rid of the excess that it doesn't need through like pee or urine and all that stuff. So yeah, on to tip number two is to use very minimal heating on your hair, which is like a no-brainer. I learned it the hard way. I used to straighten my hair like every other day instead of just once daily. Instead of just once a week. I started changing up my hair regimen after about like 3 years ago when I was like going through a hair growth cycle. My hair was a bob, and then I didn't cut it, I didn't dye it, I didn't do anything to it. I barely used any heat, and like for the past 2 years it's been growing. So I think that's what helped a lot too. If you are gonna straighten your hair, or if you are gonna like curl your hair, blow dry your hair, whatever the case may be, do use a heat protectant. I do air dry my hair as well instead of using a hair blower, so that it's like cost efficient and is hair efficient. Tip number three, I would have to say, is to eat healthy. Also no brainer, also very hypocritical of me because before this whole process, I wasn't treating myself very good. I was probably about like 10-15 pounds heavier maybe about 5-6 years ago, and I've learned to like maintain the weight loss throughout the year. So if you guys do want to see a video about that, then leave in the comments below. I will make a video about that. I've been asked many times on how I lost weight, but I just haven't gotten around to making a video about it. But yeah, there is a saying that you are what you eat. So try to put good stuff in your system. What you put in your body, it's gonna definitely show on the outside, like brighter skin, healthier hair. Yeah, just keep yourself hydrated and try to eat healthy. But yeah, that's just a very quick video on how I grew out my hair. My hair used to be a bob, and then I grew out, and then I put it in a bob again, and then that was like 3 years ago. So my hair has been growing out within those few years. My hair is a little bit longer now. It's a little bit past the middle of my back. I would say it probably needs like another 5-6 inches until it reaches like my tailbone. So that's not too bad for me. It's very hypocritical of me to have blonde hair too. When I was like trying to grow it out, I told myself that I wasn't gonna be a blonde again. But for the past 2 years, I've let it kind of breathe a little, and I kind of just re-damaged it. But I'm okay with it because it's at like a good length now that I'm okay with it being a little bit damaged, and then I'll just keep it growing, or if not, I'll just keep it at this length. But yeah, that's it to this video. I try to do it in like a one take kind of thing, so if it's like all over the place, don't mind me. I just wanted to put out a very quick video for you guys. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment down below on what you wanted to see next. Like I said, if you guys want to see a video on how I lost weight and how I maintain it throughout the years, leave in the comments below. But then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.